Hello and welcome to this WPCloudDeploy walkthrough. In this video, we'll take a look at the Teams function for WPCloudDeploy, which allows you to restrict access to servers and apps for designated users. There are two levels of security offered by the Teams feature. One level restricts access to menus, and the other level restricts access to functions on individual screens. Admins and super admins will always have access to all functions. If no teams are defined, then only admins and super admins can access WPCloudDeploy menus and screens. To add a user to a team, you'll first need to grant them one of the custom WPCloudDeploy WordPress roles that were created when the plugin was installed. From the admin panel, go to Users, All Users, click the user you'd like to add to a team, scroll down, find the Role field, and then change the user's role to one of the four default WPCloudDeploy roles: WCD Apps Manager, WCD Sysadmin, WCD Manager, and WCD Admin. We'll choose WCD App Manager. Note that you can also add WPCloudDeploy capabilities to an existing user role using a third-party plugin such as User Role Editor. You can find a full list of WPCloudDeploy capabilities in our documentation. Now let's scroll down and update our user. Now we're ready to create our first team. Go to WPCloudDeploy, Teams. Click Add Team. Let's name our team, and let's add a team member. Since this is your first team member, you'll probably want to make them the team manager, so tick the team manager box, and let's save the team. Now we can add new team members by clicking Add New, choosing the user, and assigning server and app permissions. Next, we can assign our new team to servers and apps. Let's go to WPCloudDeploy, All Cloud Servers, and choose a server to assign this team to. If we scroll down on the right-hand side, we see an Assign Teams field. We can click here to select our team, and we can update this server. Similarly, we can also assign teams to individual apps. So go to All Apps, choose a site, scroll down, and on the right-hand side, choose the team you'd like to assign to this site. Let's update this site. Now your team has been created, members have been added to it, and the team has been assigned to specific servers and apps. You can also specify whether team members can add or update PHP-specific options. This locks down a potentially vulnerable area because certain PHP options can provide server-wide access. By default, only admins and super admins can set PHP options for a site. To configure this setting, first we need to enable the permission list menu item. Using your preferred FTP client to access your site, find the wp-config.php file and edit it. Now scroll down, and before the comment that says "That's all, stop editing," we need to define WPCD_show_permission_list as true. Now we need to save our wp-config file and ensure it's uploaded back to the server by going back to FileZilla or your preferred FTP client and telling it to upload the saved file back to the server. Now, if we go back to the WP admin panel and look under the WPCloudDeploy menu item, we'll see a permission list link. Let's click that. Now let's click Add Server/App Permission. Call it Update Site PHP Options. For the object type, choose App. For the permission name, type WP app_update_site_PHP_options. This needs to be all lowercase. For the permission category, choose WP app. Now click Publish. Now we need to update our teams. Go to WPCloudDeploy, Teams, and let's choose our operations team. Now we can add the app permission Update Site PHP Options. Tick the box and click Update. You can now remove the code we added to wp-config.php to remove the permission list menu item from the WP admin panel.